crazy color TV! Hello, dear friends! Today, we are going to draw a rainbow snake and then add the alphabet to it. So let's get started and keep watching the crazy color TV. Friends, we have drawn the snake, and now it is time to color the rainbow in it. A, B,
A, B, C, D, E, F,
C,
G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
D,
Q, R, S, T, U, V,
E,
W, X, Y, and Z.
F,
Now I know my ABCs.
G,
Next time, won't you sing
H,
with me?
I,
A, B, C,
J,
D, E, F, G, H, I,
K,
J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q,
L,
R, S, T, U, V,
M,
W, X, Y, and Z.
N,
Now I know my ABCs.
O,
Next time, won't you sing
P,
with me?
Q, R, S, T, U, V,
A, B, C, D,
W,
E, F, G, H,
X,
I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
Y,
Q, R, S, T,
Z.
U, V,
Subscribe to the